Hello, I'm with Seed System Solutions, and in this video, I will walk you through the process of creating and applying a vendor credit memo. If you do not see any of the options referenced in this video, please contact an admin user within your organization for assistance. The vendor credit memo can be found in the vendor and payable module within Seed System Solutions. To create a new vendor menu, you can do this through the Add and select Vendor Credit Memo. You can visit the vendor page and go to the Transactions tab, or you can use the plus button from the Accounts Payable report. So from here, if you click the plus, you're going to see a vendor credit option. Vendor credits are set up similar to bills, where you can assign an account or a line, a non-inventory line item. So to start, if your vendor hasn't been assigned based on your method of how you created the vendor credit memo, you can use the magnifying glass to assign your vendor. If you need to adjust your accounts payable account or add a department, you can do that as well. You can adjust your date, and you can set terms if you would like to. If your terms did not calculate a due date, you can also assign a due date. Similar to a bill, if you have any vendor information or notes that you want to add, you can do that as well. Then from your Accounts tab, you can add an account directly from your chart of account by pressing the plus button. Use the magnifying glass to search for your account. And then what you wish to assign as a credit. This does need to be entered in as a positive value. You can link this to a department if necessary, as well as add menu, and then choose your save option. If you do need to edit this in the future, within the vendor credit memo, if you just select the line, you have the option to delete using the trash icon or edit it using the edit pencil. Again, similar to a bill, you can also add a line item by going to the Lines tab, selecting the line, and then searching for your product. From there, you would select your product out of the portal, enter quantity, price, and continue. To apply that vendor credit, you're going to, from the vendor credit, you're going to use the hamburger menu, and you're going to select the apply credit. From here, it's going to give you a list of open bills for that vendor that you can apply to. And then you would select the bill that you wish to apply this against. If you have multiple bills, you can apply to multiple. Once that is applied, you can use the VAC logo to exit that vendor credit. You will return back to the vendor page or a report if that's where you started. If you have any questions about Seed System Solution, please reference our other training videos. Email us at grow@seedsystem.co or register for one of our free monthly Seed System support Zoom meetings.